Hey, this is Lonnie T at the 2009 Tournament of Champions. Speaking of champions, here's the gal that I said is going to be the champ at the 2009 Figure Olympiad.
That's right.
Gina Aliotti, man.
Thank
you.
you.
Look terrific. It's like you thought the show was tonight.
I thought it was actually yesterday. No, just kidding.
Now, let me ask you this question. You got that on your mind, the dieting, the training, but you're still here judging. How does that work? How are you able to concentrate both physically and mentally with the big dance so close?
Well, I like to prepare so that I'm always ahead of time. You know, I'm always ahead of schedule. So like events like this come up, I can kind of. Today I only did one session of cardio, so I allowed for that. You know, coming in a little bit sooner than later. So allowing for events like that. Of course, just always coming prepared. Got all my meals prepared and cooked, and I'm ready to go. So,
weight-wise, where are you compared to the previous year? You've been second twice, I believe.
2 years in a row.
2 years in a row, so there's only one place to go. What's up? Difference in weight from the last 2 years?
Usually I leave San Diego before leaving for the Olympia at about, even for the Arnold, usually I leave pre-contest about 129, 130, and I'm sitting at about 128 now.
I was going to say,
so,
you look leaner to me. As soon as I saw you walk in the auditorium, I said, she's lighter than last year.
Lighter, yes.
Now, with 2 weeks to go, does that mean you think you'll be even lighter come showtime, or you may be heavier the same weight, or you just don't know?
Well, I don't really go by weight, I go by how I feel and look, but honestly, I'm right where I want to be, so I'm just kind of cruising, and just depending, I'm going to ease back on my cardio a little bit, so my goal is just to maintain where I'm at right now.
Yeah, did you work on your calves for this show?
Always.
Yeah, I can
work
tell.
calves twice a week.
I've heard you work calves twice in your life. Is that true?
That's very true. I don't
Yeah,
work
I'm
calves.
very envious. I'm not going to show you. Anyway,
No.
okay, you've been second 2 years in a row. I'm picking you to win it all. Yogi Avidan has picked you to win it all, which probably hurt your chances, but you got me on your side, so that's all that counts. How about a prediction from Gina Aliotti?
You know what, Lonnie? Honestly, I'm going to that show to win. I go into every show to win, so we'll see what happens, but I feel really, really good. I'm bringing a different package. All my trainings come from the heart. You know, this whole time I've been training like a champ, and I feel amazing. I really do, and I'm just going to bring my package and do what I can and see what happens.
You're bringing the total package.
The total package. All I needed in my book was just some polishing, and I polished it up. I changed up a couple things, and I think that'll be...
You polish it up, and you are shining.
I am.
For Gina Aliotti, this is Lonnie Teeper signing off for HardBody.com. Out!